Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply iOS depth effect wallpaper on any Android. Simply open the Play Store, install this application Flexify Wallpaper and Widgets. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Go in depth wallpapers, select the wallpaper you want. For example, I am selecting this one. Tap on apply depth wallpaper. Basically they are saying to install this application, so simply tap on this application, install it. Now go back again on that application. Let's apply again. Simply tap on import, select the folder. Now create the new folder here. Tap on use this folder, tap allow, tap on use it. Now tap again on import, simply tap on OK, again tap on OK. Here you get multiple settings. From here you can edit the wallpaper live, but I will simply go with this. So tap on save, tap on fix, tap on set the wallpaper, select home screen. Now let's check it out. As you can see, my depth effect wallpaper. So this is how you can apply iOS depth effect wallpaper on any Android. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.